Hey guys, Jose with Lux Tech Travel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the iPad Pro Magic Keyboard. This is a great product. I've been using it for less than a week, but I think this is one of Apple's greatest products recently. I'm going to take a look at it, unbox it for you guys, and I'm going to tell you at the end, you guys are going to want to go out and buy it. Alright guys, so here we have it. We have the keyboard right in front of us. As you can see, you're going to get this hinged design. You're also going to get the trackpad. And this works in conjunction with the new iOS for the iPad Pro. And from what I've seen on video and on YouTube, this thing works very well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So we begin by pulling this tab over here. Apple makes it very simple to open their packaging now. Quick unwrapping. We're not going to be gentle with this thing. Let's take it out. Make this unboxing quick because we've seen this a bunch of times on YouTube already. So here it is. Just a quick mention, the iPad Pro that I have is actually the 2018 iPad Pro. So this cutout right here, it's not going to be filled up. I have the space gray iPad, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. But you'll get to see what a 2018 iPad Pro 12.9 inch is going to look in the new iPad keyboard case. So we're going to unwrap this. There you go. Take a quick look at the material. The material on this is very similar to the iPad Pro Folio case. It's very soft to the touch, almost like suede or like a very soft rubberish feeling actually. Alright. First time opening this. And there you go, that snapback action. You got the smart connector here. The inside is micro suede, like a microfiber, micro suede touch. It's very luxurious feeling. You're gonna love the way that feels. Inside we have the usual packaging designed by Apple. Put that to the side. And let's get down to the keyboard. Okay, so the trackpad feels very nice to the touch. You hear that clicking? Okay, well, it does feel nice. Almost like their trackpad. It's not gonna have the haptic feedback. This is an actual click. But from what I see, it's easily clickable from any part of the trackpad. We'll test that once we have our iPad on the keyboard itself. The key travel is very nice, very soft to the touch. Wow, this is awesome. This is as close as you're gonna get to a MacBook Pro with a touch screen as you can get. You got the charging connector here, as you can see. You got the extra charging connector, I should say, USB-C. And let's see if I can show you the material. This micro suede is very nice. It's gonna protect your iPad from scratches on the back and just give you an overall premium feel to this product, which it does have. Let me show you the back. You got the Apple logo back here. Apple logo cutout. And yeah, looks really nice. All right, let me get my iPad. We'll be right back. All right, guys. So right here, I have the iPad Pro 2018 iPad Pro 12.9 inch in the space gray. As you can see, got the single camera here. Let's take a look to see how this thing attaches. Okay, didn't line up perfectly that time. This time it did. Okay, all right, so that's what it looks like with the iPad attached. Can you lift it up with the iPad? Oh. From the videos I've seen people pick it up with the iPad. Let's see. No, actually, it's not. Doesn't hang on the way that people make it look like in other videos. It's pretty sturdy. Not as sturdy as I saw Peter McKinnon just grabbing onto it and just moving it around and it wouldn't fall off, but as you can see, it comes off If you grab it the wrong way, this thing's falling to the ground. So just letting you guys know, just to be very careful with it. As you saw the 3-finger swipe up right now. You see, it goes right to the home screen. That's one of the gestures on the iPad keyboard trackpad. If you swipe with 3 fingers up, it goes to the home screen. Oh, right here you can see the cursor. See that? Oh man, I tell you, this keyboard trackpad is nice and smooth. It's almost like having a baby MacBook. How do the keys feel? All right, let's go to Notepad. Oh, you swipe with 2 fingers down and you get to the Finder. There's no escape key, so you swipe with 2 fingers down to get to the Finder. You swipe with 3 fingers up to get back to the home screen. 2 fingers down, Finder, 3 fingers up, home screen. So let's actually go into Finder and go to Notes. Let's go to Notes. Create a new note. Let's call this Lux Tech Travel. Lux Tech Travel unboxing. I'm not good at typing, so, but I am gonna learn on this keypad. Okay, so as soon as you're done, you know, just writing whatever you gotta write, 3 fingers up takes you back to the home screen. 2 fingers down gets you the Finder. 2 fingers to the sides switches pages. I have 2 pages of apps here, so that's pretty cool. So you know what? It kind of minimizes the amount of like screen touches that you're gonna have to do, because you really don't have to touch your screen unless you're gonna be doing, you know, taking down notes with the Apple Pencil. As you hover over the icons, the pointer goes away and it turns into more like if you're touching the icon itself. So that's pretty cool. Now, how do you create a multi-user window, or a multi-window, I should say? Okay, so you swipe up and hold it, and you could create and you could switch apps. As you can see, you could go right back into Notes, hold it, and go right back into Safari. That's another way of switching from window or from app to app. If you pinch, you can switch web pages, or you can switch tabs. So when you're in Safari, if you pinch, you can choose what tab you want to go in. By pinching, choose another tab, pinch, choose another tab. So I mean, that's pretty cool in itself, because you like I said, you don't have to touch the screen, you don't have to create unnecessary fingerprints. So you pinch and you choose a tab. That's a pretty cool shortcut. Look at your pointer, you bring it all the way down and you swipe down, and then you bring up another app and you just slide it to the side here, just like you normally would when you're using your finger. So everything that you would do with your finger, you're kind of doing it with the trackpad now. So yeah, so you grab it, you bring it down, 1 finger, guys, 1 finger, swipe down, and it brings up your apps that you have on your what I call the control center, or whatever you might call it. And I think that works really well. So now, what I really love about this keyboard is that it kind of frees up the charging port now. So you can plug in a hard drive on this side, and you could charge it on the port over here. But guys, I think this keyboard is awesome. If you're on the fence about it, I don't know, from first impressions, this thing is great. The weight of the iPad itself with the keyboard, it's not as bad as people are making it seem. I'm not sure if these guys just maybe need to go to the gym a little more, wait for quarantine to be over so they can head to the gym, or if they're just looking for a thing to, you know, something to complain about. It feels super premium. So you can see it's gonna get its marks and stuff, because this is a soft material. I'm not sure about lint and stuff like that as of yet. We just took it out of the box, but I'm sure over time it's gonna you know, it's gonna get its marks, it's gonna get its dirt and fingerprints and stuff like that. But wow, this is a great product. I think Apple hit a home run with this. It matches the space gray iPad perfectly, especially for me, because I was worried about this cutout. I could ramble on and on and on. Guys, I think this is a great product. The iPad Pro is super powerful, has a camera, has the touchscreen, Apple Pencil capabilities. Go out and get it. This has been Jose from Lux Tech Travel, and this is the iPad Pro keyboard 12.9 inch for the iPad. Peace.